All right, so let's just do a quick project to kind of showcase this machine here. I'm going to go ahead and just import an image with a lot of detail in it, and we'll be able to see how well this thing engraves out, which I think will be pretty good actually. So lock perspective here, and then I'll just draw a box that will be a cut line around it, and that'll work just fine. All right, so let's get some settings in. Going to use somewhere between 2 and 3 millimeter material. So let's go ahead to our cut line here and see what we think we could use here. So definitely is going to have to be more than 10% power. Let's do 60% power, speed of 20, see if that'll cut it out. And then for our image, let's do some image settings here. And then for our line interval, that's really dependent upon how thick our laser beam is. This is supposed to be a very thin laser beam. So I think I'm gonna actually leave it like that at first and see what kind of results we get. So let's put some material in there and we'll do a frame to make sure we get that lined up appropriately.